Get on the back, on that end over there.
It's like Tootsie Rolls. I don't like Tootsie Rolls.
I'm filming the cameras inside. Well, you could talk. All right, today we're gonna bring a 4K dash cam, and the way it works, we're gonna remove this. Actually, make sure you have the cover off. Now this one has adhesive. They give you an extra adhesive. They give you a cleaning wipe so you can have it. This is gonna have to be stick on your actual on your glass itself, so make sure you have the proper area. Now this is not adjustable. It's gonna be one angle, so just make sure you put it right behind here and right behind the mirror, you guys can see, so it won't be in the way of when you're driving and looking at something else. All right, and it's not going to be on any kind of distraction too. So this one does not have a monitor. You can monitor the things to your phone too. There's an app. Now the way it works, it doesn't have a monitor or any systems. It just starts automatically loading and recording. Now the way it works, it's a Type-C connection. They have another mount for the actual camera, and this is a smaller connection than 3.5, but they give you, included with it, they give you a 64 gig memory card with the actual system ready to go. We're going to mount this, and it comes with two cameras. All right, camera number one is the one that's looking forward, and they include camera number two, which is the back dash cam, the back camera. So you can put this and run the cable. They give you a long extension cable so you can run it and connect it here. Now they also give you this tool, this very neat tool to take things apart and to actually put things right in the corner of the edge so you won't see the cable. Now this camera is up to 4K, but you could tone it down so you could record even longer. One button feature that you have only in here, and it automatically starts running as soon as you plug it in with the power. So they give you the manual. As you can see, the manual goes very intense and thorough about how to set this up, how to run your cable, and so forth. Now, including with the how to download the app to transfer to your phone and do it remotely too. Now, the great thing about it, if you mess up on the first adhesive, they give you a second one so you can actually set it up. A long cable for this is the actual to power the system. This is a USB connection, USB Type-C to the actual cigarette lighter connection. But the best thing I like about this, I'm going to show you guys. The best thing I like about this, that they give you an extra USB on the actual cigarette lighter, if you guys can see that. So one connection goes down to the cigarette lighter and the other one connects to the actual side of the camera. All right, we just plug it in. So we're going to set this up right now. We're going to drive around and see how well the quality works on the 4K, and then also get some footage on the back cars. That's my next thing I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoy the video.